Welcome to Sun Beach, Finland. We kick off this adventure soaring above golden sands and sparkling waves. Ready for an unforgettable journey? We glide across the shoreline, the waves whispering stories of the sea. A quick pass over the bustling harbor reveals the dance of boats below. Turning gracefully over rooftops, we capture the harmony of Sun Beach, where the urban landscape meets the endless blue. Now for the grand finale. We embark on an epic flight over the pier, capturing the essence of Sun Beach from multiple perspectives. Skimming the surface, we create dynamic motion blur effects, diving low to feel the rush of the sea breeze. Twice we trace this path, each angle revealing new wonders. Rising high, we gaze upon the stunning sea, framed by lush forests on tiny islands. A sharp turn brings us close to the water, skimming just above the surface. This aerial journey showcases the perfect blend of natural splendor and urban landscapes, ending with a panoramic view of Sun Beach. Thanks for joining our FPV adventure over Sun Beach. Until next time, keep exploring the skies.